Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Which foods should you include in your diet to prevent hair breakage? Today we will talk about this. To prevent hair breakage, the first food is egg. So try to include eggs in your diet because eggs are rich in protein and biotin, which are essential for healthy hair. Protein makes your hair strong and shiny. Keratin, a type of protein that forms the structure of your hair, plays a vital role in your hair growth and strength. You can also add carrots and sweet potatoes to your diet. Both are rich in beta carotene, which gets converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is important for healthy hair as it improves blood flow to the scalp, nourishing the roots and promoting strong hair growth. The next is green veggies. Green veggies are a powerhouse of nutrients that play a vital role in preventing hair breakage and promoting healthy hair. Including green vegetables in your diet provides essential nutrients that nourish your scalp, repair damaged hair, and make it less prone to breakage. A simple bowl of salad or a green smoothie can be the secret of healthier, stronger hair. And the last is nuts and seeds. Almond, walnuts, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds are packed with biotin, vitamin E, and omega 3s. They nourish your scalp, strengthen hair strands, and prevent damage from within. Hair breakage often happens due to weak roots and dryness. These superfoods repair, hydrate, and promote new hair growth. Add these powerhouse foods to your daily diet and say goodbye to hair breakage naturally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.